Rakesh from Let's Make Learning Simple channel. Now we are going to discuss about what is a campus interview. So if suppose we have finished the 12th standard, then you would have been looking for a college for doing your bachelor's. So you would have some criteria to select a college. Most of the students, what they are trying to do is they are trying to choose a college where his friend is studying or his relative is studying, like that. But you need to keep in mind the criteria while choosing the college. The first and foremost criteria is whether that college is arranging campus interview or not. That's the important criteria if you want to get place while you are studying itself. So many companies are coming to particular colleges only. So you need to pick a better college for attending a interview while studying itself. So now we will see what's a campus interview. So campus interview is an interview conducted in campus for jobs. If you are doing engineering, then at the end of the 4th year, so most of the colleges allow campus making arrangement at the last year of bachelor course. So most of the colleges are arranging the campus interview at the last year, which means 4th year. Some colleges are arranging before the at 3rd year itself. So you need to pick a better college for better campus interviews. The first one is, what is the campus interview? This is the campus interview conducted in campus for the jobs. So who are all eligible for the campus interview? For example, if you are studying in CSE department, you would have a doubt, am I eligible for attending the campus interview? Suppose if you are in the IT department, you would have the same doubt, whether am I eligible for the campus interview. So everyone of every department has the same doubt. So every person is eligible for campus interview, but the company decides the criteria. So CSE department, for example, if there are 1,000 candidates in CSE department and 500 candidates in IT department, there are another 200 candidates in EC department. So these people are the candidates. The college and the company will decide the eligible candidates. So for that, what they would do is, for example, this is the college, this is the company. They both decide the eligible criteria for the campus interview for the company. Mostly company will decide, but college will give some ideas for that criteria process. So for example, if the company decides that 8.5 CGPA is the minimum requirement to attend the campus interview, then the people who are above 8.5 GPA, above or equal to 8.5 GPA, are only eligible for campus interview. So the number of candidates should be reduced to some countable numbers. So actually 5,000 candidates are there. The eligible candidates would be 1,000 candidates. So these are the eligible candidates. These eligible candidates would be very happy because they are attending the campus interview. And then what the company would do is they would conduct n number of interviews. The first round would be written round. So written round is the most common round practiced by many companies. In this round, they would ask about the mathematical aptitude, logical questions and verbal questions. It varies from company to company. Some companies won't ask verbal questions, some companies won't ask logical questions, but there is a common round. So you need to be prepared in mathematical aptitude, logical, verbal. For that, I have used the R.S. Agarwal book for learning, for updating my knowledge in mathematical aptitude. If you want to buy that book, you could use the product link, that book link at the description box of this video. You can buy it online on Amazon. And then second round would be programming round. Most of the software companies try to follow this round, programming round. Some companies won't conduct programming round. They skip this round and directly they conduct technical HR and then HR. But most of the companies follow programming round as a second round. So each round varies from company to company. Actually, the company itself divides into 3 categories. This is software company. So I am talking only about the software companies because I am not aware of other companies. Because I am working in a software company, I know something. I don't know all the things about the software companies, but I know some things about the software company. So I am trying to cover only the software company campus interview procedure. The software companies can be classified into three types. For example, product companies, and then service based companies, and then BPO. So product company examples are Zogo, Amazon. Service company examples are TCS, Infosys, CTS. BPO, there are some examples for BPO. So first what you need to do is you need to analyze your knowledge and you need to pick the category of the software company. So if suppose if your knowledge suits best for this product company, then you need to prepare for the product company, and then you need to work hard for getting selected in a product company. Similarly, if suppose if you don't have that much programming knowledge, you can work in a software company, you can work in service companies also. So you need to first analyze your knowledge and you need to pick the best category companies. So either it can be product or service or it can be BPO. Each category has their own benefits and their limitations, so you need to pick based on your knowledge and your interest. And then these are the most three common rounds which are practiced by the major software company. There are some other rounds that would be introduced after programming round by some product company. So I will try to cover those things in a detailed manner in upcoming videos. For now, just we will consider only this a campus interview in a brief manner. So this is about a campus interview. For this, you need to be very good in academics. Some only very few companies won't care about the academic marks, whereas most of the companies care about the academic performance. So please try to be best in your academics so that you can easily get eligible for attending the interviews, so that you get more exposure. You can attend many companies. If suppose if you get failed in one company, you get a other chance for attending interview in another company. So if you are in the eligible list, for becoming eligible you need to have good academic score as one of the most important criteria, which has been followed by many big companies. So be good in academics so that everything follows you. So thanks for watching this video. Suppose if you want to buy RS Agarwal aptitude book, you could use the book link which is at the description box of this video.